Sister Nuriddeen Knight, we're going to ask you a set of rapid fire questions. You've only got a few seconds to answer them. Inshallah, there'll only be 4 this time, but 4 nuggets. The first one is your favorite reciter or qari from the Quran.
Oh, I think that was Abdurrahman as-Sufi.
Okay, yes, of course. I was very fortunate to have been in the same country, prayed behind him in Qatar. If you were to have your ideal breakfast, what would that be?
I'll just keep it simple. Toast and scrambled eggs.
Easy one. The last book that you read?
The last, I'm reading Breathe. I forget the author's name. It's called Breathe.
If you don't mind me asking this, if you're in the presence of Aisha radiallahu anha, and you're having breakfast, the toast and scrambled eggs, what would you ask her?
SubhanAllah. I guess I would ask her a very open-ended question. What was life like after the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
When I say embarrassing masjid experience, what comes to mind?
SubhanAllah, an embarrassing masjid experience. That's a tough one. This one is kind of, it would be more so sad that unfortunately a lot of women experience just going to a masjid and the women's section is like the basement and it's dark and creepy and scary. So.
Yeah, I mean, there was a revolt just recently here in Sydney when there was an announcement at one of the mosques saying because of COVID, women are not allowed. And so there was a huge revolt from the women. Lo and behold, the women are back. Ahla wa sahla. I was going to say one last thing. If you were able to bring 2 people together who are from the past and they can't be the Prophet ﷺ, who would they be and why?
Okay, subhanAllah. Oh, okay. Well, I would bring back Lady Aisha radiallahu anha and Khadija radiallahu anha at the same time, both as adults, and I'm sure that would be an amazing conversation.
Sister Nuriddeen, Jazakallah khair.